How to customize the volume button for media and system in your Realme. Customizing the volume button for media and system volume separately on Realme device, which involve adjusting the setting. However, you can manage or customize your volume setting from here. First of all, open up your setting on your mobile device. Once you have opened up your setting, scroll down and go for your sound and privacy. Once you are on your sound and vibration here, you can see that you can easily customize the volume button for your media, ringtone and alarm. So here you can see that. Like this, you can easily customize the volume button for your media and for your ringtone like this. And for your alarm like this here, you can see that. So if you want to enable the silent mode, just go and enable the silent mode here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily customize your volume button for your media and system volume in your Realme device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.